Welcome to today's edition of High Life Guitar Lessons. My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to do with George Darko's song. Odo Color. Good. We are going to do with Odo Color. So, if this is your first time of seeing my video on the internet, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Check the notification bell. Leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video to others so that they will also benefit. Guys, I'm going to play alongside the beat, and then after that I will explain everything to you. So pick up your guitar and let us learn something. Alright guys, so this comes to the end of today's lesson. Take your time, go through, and then you get everything. Then you find a song, listen to it. Up to now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, check the notification bell. In fact, my number is on the screen. You can send me a WhatsApp message, share the video, and give a thumbs up. We will meet next time for another lesson. God bless you.